1, 2, 3, 4.
Hi, we're the Fractured.
We are with the Unknown, we're a street dance crew.
We are Air, with an E on the end.
Our band name is Sounds Like Fun.
Yo, 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 my name's Ed Holden, aka Mr. Formula Man, man, you know what I'm saying?
Where we are, go Sky.
I think it's awesome, there's plenty of stuff to do here, it's great.
Come along.
It's good, it's a good day out, something to do. And it's free.
And it's free.
Definitely all the entertainment and also all the good singers and like nearly everything's free as well. I think that's really good.
So if you did this every year and had a turnout like this, it'd be great.
Yeah. Free running bit when the two guys were just like doing backflips and stuff.
Free food.
Yes.
Come because it's amazing.
Recommend
Yeah.
it. Really good. Oh, it's awesome.
Been really good day.
Awesome.
Hi, my name's Stuart and this is my workshop, Yukon Uni. We've been teaching unicycling, slacklining, stilt walking, diablo, spinning plates, spinning poi, and having fun in general.
I think it sort of inspires a lot of the kids these days to get into new things, so whether it's music, dancing, singing, I think it's a good chance for them to see what sort of things they want to go into.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to.